Welcome to paradise. Today, we're taking you on a tropical tour of 7 must-visit beaches in Roatan, Honduras, the Caribbean island known for its stunning coastline, vibrant coral reefs, and laid-back island vibes. Whether you're looking to snorkel in crystal-clear waters, relax on quiet sands, or dive into some hidden gems off the beaten path, Roatan has a beach for every kind of traveler. So grab your sunglasses, sit back, and let's dive into the 7 best beaches you absolutely don't want to miss on your next Roatan adventure. 7. West Bay Beach. West Bay Beach is one of the most stunning and well-known beaches in the Caribbean. Located on the western tip of Roatan, the largest of Honduras Bay Islands, West Bay Beach is celebrated for its powdery white sand, calm, turquoise waters, and vibrant marine life. The beach regularly appears on lists of the best beaches in the world, attracting visitors from all over the globe who are looking for both relaxation and adventure. One of the beach's biggest draws is its easy access to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world. Snorkelers can reach the reef right from the shore, where they can explore colorful coral formations and spot tropical fish, sea turtles, and even eagle rays. For divers, there are numerous nearby dive sites offering dramatic drop-offs and rich biodiversity, making West Bay a hub for underwater exploration. Beyond the water, West Bay Beach offers a relaxed yet lively atmosphere with a mix of luxury resorts, boutique hotels, and beachside bars and restaurants. The area maintains a balance between development and natural beauty, with lush greenery backing the beach and stunning sunsets capping off each day. 6. Little French Key. Little French Key, located just off the southern coast of Roatan, Honduras, is a private island paradise known for its crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and lush tropical surroundings. This small but beautifully developed cay offers visitors a peaceful retreat with a touch of luxury and adventure, making it one of Roatan's most popular day trip destinations. What makes Little French Key unique is the variety of experiences it offers in one compact area. Guests can relax on hammocks or cabanas by the water, swim in the turquoise sea, or snorkel just off the shore. For the more adventurous, there are kayaks, paddleboards, and even cliff-jumping platforms. The island is also home to a small zoo and rescue center that houses exotic animals such as monkeys, parrots, and big cats, though this aspect has generated mixed reactions and some controversy over the years. The island features several bars and restaurants offering local and international cuisine, often with tables right by the water. It's also known for its picturesque wooden bridges and quiet lagoons. Accessible only by a short boat ride from the Roatan mainland, Little French Key offers a blend of tranquility and fun, perfect for couples, families, or cruise ship passengers looking for an unforgettable island escape. 5. Tabyana Beach. Tabyana Beach, located on the western end of Roatan in the West Bay area, is one of the island's most beloved and pristine stretches of shoreline. Known for its powdery white sand, gentle turquoise waves, and lush jungle backdrop, Tabyana offers a more relaxed and natural atmosphere compared to some of the busier beaches nearby. It's especially popular with cruise ship passengers and resort guests seeking a peaceful yet beautiful place to unwind. One of Tabyana's biggest draws is its easy access to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, just a short swim from shore. The snorkeling here is world-class, with clear water and an abundance of colorful marine life, including coral formations, tropical fish, and occasional sightings of sea turtles or stingrays. The beach is also well-maintained, with security and amenities like beach chairs, shaded areas, and clean restrooms, making it a comfortable spot for families and first-time visitors. Though Tabyana Beach maintains a more tranquil vibe than some nearby locations, it still offers convenient access to water sports, beachside food, and drinks. The combination of natural beauty, calm waters, and reef access makes Tabyana a standout destination for anyone looking to experience the best of Roatan's Caribbean charm. 4. Half Moon Bay. Half Moon Bay, located in the heart of West End Roatan, is a picturesque, crescent-shaped bay that blends natural beauty with a vibrant local atmosphere. Fringed by white sand and calm, clear waters, this small but scenic beach is a favorite for both locals and tourists. It offers a more laid-back, authentic Roatan experience compared to the more resort-heavy areas like West Bay, while still being full of charm and activity. The water is shallow and typically calm, making it ideal for families and casual beachgoers. At sunset, Half Moon Bay becomes especially magical, with the sky reflecting beautifully on the still water and boats bobbing gently in the harbor. Surrounding the bay, the village of West End is alive with culture. Colorful wooden buildings house dive shops, local restaurants, boutique hotels, and beach bars. There's a friendly, laid-back energy here, where you can easily spend the day diving or snorkeling and the evening enjoying fresh seafood and live music just steps from the sand. Half Moon Bay captures the essence of Roatan, a balance of natural beauty, local flavor, and relaxed island life. 3. Mahogany Bay Beach. Mahogany Bay Beach, located on the southern coast of Roatan, is a purpose-built cruise port and beach destination designed specifically for visitors arriving by cruise ship. Owned by Carnival Corporation, Mahogany Bay serves as a gateway for thousands of travelers each week, offering a clean, convenient, and well-organized introduction to the beauty of the island. The beach itself is a short walk or a quick ride on the famous magical flying beach chair from the cruise terminal, making it easily accessible for day trippers. The beach features soft white sand, calm turquoise waters, and plenty of lounge chairs shaded by palm trees and umbrellas. It's an ideal spot for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing with a tropical drink in hand. For those seeking a bit more adventure, Mahogany Bay offers a variety of water activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding. There are also private cabanas available for rent, offering extra comfort and privacy. Beyond the beach, the Mahogany Bay complex includes shopping areas, restaurants, and excursion booking centers. While it's more commercialized than some of Roatan's natural beaches, it provides a safe, family-friendly environment with all the amenities cruise passengers might need. Mahogany Bay Beach is perfect for visitors who want a stress-free, well-maintained beach day with the added bonus of modern conveniences and easy access from their ship. 2. Camp Bay. Camp Bay Beach, located on the remote northeastern coast of Roatan, is one of the island's best-kept secrets. Far from the bustling tourist areas of West Bay and West End, Camp Bay offers a pristine, unspoiled stretch of white sand and crystal-clear Caribbean waters. It's the longest natural beach on Roatan and one of the few places where you can experience the island's raw beauty without crowds or commercialization. What makes Camp Bay truly special is its tranquility. Surrounded by lush jungle and coconut palms, the beach feels wild and untouched, ideal for those seeking peace, solitude, or a more off-the-beaten-path adventure. The shallow, calm waters make it great for swimming. And while there's less infrastructure for snorkeling or diving right from the shore, the quiet atmosphere more than makes up for it. Despite its remote feel, Camp Bay has a growing but still limited number of small eco-resorts and local eateries where visitors can enjoy fresh seafood and Honduran hospitality. It's also near the island's less touristy Garifuna communities, offering a glimpse into Roatan's Afro-Caribbean culture. For travelers willing to make the scenic drive across the island, Camp Bay offers a side of Roatan that's peaceful, authentic, and beautifully wild. 1. Paya Bay Beach. Paya Bay Beach is a serene and picturesque beach located on the northern coast of Roatan, offering a more secluded and tranquil experience compared to the busier southern and western shores. Known for its calm, crystal-clear turquoise waters and soft white sand, Paya Bay is an ideal spot for visitors seeking peace, natural beauty, and a slower pace away from the crowds. The beach is part of the Paya Bay Resort, a luxurious eco-friendly retreat that blends seamlessly into the lush tropical surroundings. Guests here enjoy not only access to the pristine beach, but also opportunities for snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding in calm, protected waters. The nearby coral reefs boast vibrant marine life, making it a great spot for underwater exploration. What sets Paya Bay apart is its intimate atmosphere and focus on sustainability and comfort. Surrounded by dense jungle and tropical gardens, the beach feels private and untouched, providing an authentic Caribbean island vibe. Whether you're lounging on the sand, enjoying a beachside meal, or taking in the stunning sunset views, Paya Bay Beach offers a perfect escape for those looking to connect with nature and unwind in a beautiful setting. Roatan is truly a beach lover's paradise, each stretch of sand offering its own unique vibe, views, and adventures. Whether you're into snorkeling, sunbathing, or just soaking up the peaceful Caribbean atmosphere, this island has a beach that fits your style. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel inspiration from stunning places like this. Drop a comment below and tell us which beach you're adding to your bucket list. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.